Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the candle colors in Metatrader 5. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads and you can see your trading dashboard, locate your candlestick chart on the screen. This is the main chart area where you can see the price movements displayed as candles. Now, right-click directly on the candlestick chart. This will bring up a context menu with several options for customizing your chart settings. From the menu that appears, click on Properties. This action will open a new window where you can adjust various chart settings and visual preferences. In the Properties window that opens, navigate to the top of the screen and click on the Colors tab. This section is specifically designed for customizing the color scheme of your chart, including the candles themselves. This is where you'll be able to personalize the appearance of your chart to match your trading preferences and make it easier to read price movements. Now look for the option labeled Bar Up. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and choose a color that you'd like to represent upward price movements. This color will be applied to the bars that show positive price action, making it easier to distinguish bullish movements at a glance. Next, find the drop-down menu for Bar Down and click on it. Select a color that will represent downward price movements. This helps you quickly identify bearish price action on your chart, creating a clear visual distinction between rising and falling prices. After that, locate the Bull Candle option and click on its drop-down menu. Choose a color for your bullish candles, which are the candles that close higher than they open. This color will fill the body of these candles, making them stand out clearly on your chart. Finally, click on the drop-down menu next to Bear Candle and select a color for your bearish candles. These are the candles that close lower than they open, and choosing a distinct color for them will help you instantly recognize downward price movements on your chart. And that's it! You've successfully customized your candle colors in Metatrader 5, making your chart easier to read and tailored to your personal preferences. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.